Hey there, welcome to our latest video. Have you ever pondered the possibility of running Android apps on your trusty iPhone? Well, in this video, we're diving straight into the heart of the matter to see if those APK files have any chance of finding a home on your iOS device. Let's get into it. To address your query head-on, unfortunately, APK files are tailor-made for Android devices, sporting a different programming structure altogether. This means they're incompatible with your iPhone, and attempting to install them would be akin to fitting a square peg into a round hole. However, fear not. There's a workaround. Instead of chasing after APK files, you can hunt down the IPA version of the app you desire. What's IPA, you ask? It's essentially the iOS counterpart of Android's APK, standing for iOS App Store Package. These IPA files contain iOS apps that you can seamlessly install and enjoy on your Apple devices. Now, you might be tempted to explore the possibility of converting APK files into IPA format. Sadly, that's a no-go. APKs and IPAs inhabit vastly different ecosystems and cannot be easily transmuted. Beware of any websites peddling APK to IPA converters, as they're likely either scams or harbor malicious software that could wreak havoc on your device. So, your best bet? Stick to the tried and true method. Seek out the IPA version of the Android app you fancy and install it hassle-free on your iPhone. So that's all about it. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your feedback is appreciated. Don't forget to hit the like button and, more importantly, subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.